I'm in love with you. I see it my way. Good morning, Gopeng. I'm here in Gopeng in this creature. We caught this creature in the jungle yesterday. We put it in a cave and I had to train her all night. Look at her, look at her. And this... Sit. If you look at this creature, it has a red tongue. Hey, I'm talking about... It's this creature. If you see this creature, he has a long tongue. And he loves licking people. I have to stop him. Sit. Sit. Down. Jump. I trained him all night. He was so awesome. Kiss. Stop. Sit. Down. Bite. Is it good? I'm Doggy Yogi, the dog trainer. Yay!
Sit! Sit!
Blah, blah. Blah, blah. I'm peeing on you. And then we found another creature. She was in a tent. She's beautiful. She's gentle. She's smart.
I'm not recording, I'm recording him, so just lay down. No one sees
very, very smart. You can see, she can coordinate the distance between the head and the wall. She's so smart. I cannot know her name because she doesn't reveal it.
So lie.
It's not about you, Uncle, it's about you. But unfortunately, she died. We crushed her last night under us. It's an Auntie. Look at her. So beautiful. I'm sorry we killed you. Eat! And then we found a third creature.
Die.
This creature looks like a gorilla. It has hair in the chest, but he shaved it. Ooh, it's me, the gorilla. I'm gonna tear a puppy. That's it. We here in Gopeng in this mosquito house. Used to call tree house, but it's more a mosquito house.
No, it makes it sound like it's full of mosquitoes.
No, it has
not a single mosquito bite.
No. It has this awesome mosquito net. Save our life, and there's a fan.
Even though I must say, I think we would have been fine without a mosquito net. I think most people...
Nah, I don't know. But the best thing during the... I'm sorry.
We would have been fine without a mosquito net.
This is zipper, or as you call it, zipper.
Zip, zop, zip, zop.